Have you ever opened your phone and completely forgotten why you picked it up? Or walked into a room and your mind just goes blank? It feels small, but if it keeps happening, it starts to bother you. You begin to wonder, why does my brain feel slower than before? This isn't about intelligence, it's about how your brain is being used every single day. And if you notice these signs early, you can actually reverse them. The first sign is you struggle to focus. You sit down to do something simple, maybe work, study, or even watch something properly. But within minutes, you're distracted. You check your phone, you switch apps, you lose track of time, and by the end, nothing really gets done. This happens because your brain is overloaded with constant stimulation, short videos, notifications, endless scrolling. Your brain gets used to quick dopamine and starts avoiding deep focus, so even simple tasks feel harder. The fix is simple but not easy. Start with just 10 minutes of focused work. No phone, no distractions. Train your brain to stay with one thing again. Slowly, your focus comes back. The second sign is you forget things more often. Names, tasks, small details. You hear something, and moments later, it's gone. Not because your memory is weak, but because your attention is. If you're distracted while receiving information, your brain never stores it properly. You were there, but not really present, so nothing sticks. A simple fix? Slow down. When someone speaks, just listen, no multitasking, and repeat important things once in your mind. That small step tells your brain, this matters, and it starts remembering again. The third sign is you feel mentally tired all the time. Not physically tired, mentally drained, even when you didn't do anything intense. That's because your brain never truly rests. Scrolling isn't rest, it's stimulation. Your brain is constantly processing something without a break, and over time, it burns out quietly. What you need is real mental silence. No phone, no noise, no input. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Sit, walk, breathe. At first, it will feel uncomfortable, but that discomfort is your brain resetting. The fourth sign is you feel slower in conversations. You can't find the right words. You lose your train of thought. And later, you replay the moment in your head. I should have said that. This happens when you consume more than you express. You watch, scroll, listen, but you don't actively use your mind. And like any muscle, if you don't use it, it weakens. The solution is simple. Start expressing more. Talk more. Write more. Explain things, even if it's just to yourself, because clarity doesn't come from consuming more, it comes from using what you already know. If you notice these signs, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It just means your brain has adapted to your current habits, and habits can change. You don't need to fix everything at once. Just start small. Focus a little longer. Slow down your input. Give your mind some silence and start using it again. Your brain isn't failing you. It's waiting for you to train it back. Start today. Even one small step is enough. If this made you pause for a moment, you can stay connected to this space by subscribing. And if someone you know feels mentally tired too, you could share this with them. Take care of your mind. I'll see you in the next one.